Given a minus b is equal to 5 and a square minus b square is equal to 65. We have to find the value of a square plus b square. As we have been given a minus b is equal to 5, you can put it as equation 1, and a square minus b square is equal to 65. We know that this is the identity. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b, a minus b is equal to 65. And from equation 1, it's given a minus b is equal to 5. So in place of a minus b, we can write multiplied 5 is equal to 65. So a plus b is equal to 65 upon 5. That gives us 13. Now you can put it as equation number 2. Now on adding equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2, when we add, we get a minus b plus a plus b is equal to 5 plus 13. Now minus b plus b will get cancelled, that is 2a is equal to 18. That is a is equal to 18 upon 2, that is 9. We get the value of a as 9. Now we can put the value of a in any of the equation and we can get the value of b. So it is 9 minus b is equal to 5, or 9 minus 5 will here come this side and it will become minus 5, and this minus b, so it will give us 4. So the value of b is 4. Now we have to find the value of a square plus b square. That can be a, we got 9, so it's 9 square, and b is your 4, that is the square of 4. 9 square 81 plus the square of 4 is 16. That is, we get the value as 97.